Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Question number 3, the same exercise, right? Find the length of the tangent from 1, 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. Already I have discussed how to find length of the tangent, right? The formula once again I am going to repeat, you have to listen carefully children. Length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1 is square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, right? This one we name it as pt, right? pt is equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, right? Now you are going to relate the given equation to the general. If you are relating given to the general means you can get the value of g, f and c. What is your g? You have to see 2g equal to minus 2. 2g equal to minus 2, g is equal to minus 1, right? Now 2f equal to 4, f equal to 2, c is equal to 9. The given equation you are going to compare with the general. If you compare with the general, you can get the value of g, f and c. You know the value of x1 and y1, that you are going to substitute in pt, right? pt is equal to square root of x1 is 1, y1 is 2. Then x1 is replaced by 1, y1 is replaced by 2, g is replaced by minus 1, f is replaced by 2, c is replaced by 9, right? Now the variable is replaced by the numbers. Then what is your x1? x1 is 1, 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 into minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 into 2 plus 9. Got it? Now square root of 1 plus 4 minus 2. Here you see plus 8 plus 9. 4 minus 2. What can you get? Only 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 9. Now you add 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. pt equal to square root of 20. The square root we call it as surd, right? That we are going to convert into mixed surd. Mixed surd, right? pt is equal to, this one we name it as square root of 20, or you can say surd also, right? Then it becomes 2 into root 5 units. This one we call it as mixed surd, right? Whole number and the irrational. Got it children? pt equal to 2 root 5 units. That is the length of the tangent. That is the length of the tangent. See question number 4. Find the value of p if the line 3x plus 4y minus p equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 16. If the line is a tangent to the circle means the condition is c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. We are going to get what is the value of a, what is the value of m, and what is the value of c, right? Given equation of a circle, given equation of a circle x square plus y square equal to 16. The 16 will give you the value of a. I said the condition is what? C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Now a square equal to 16, a square equal to 16, x square plus y square equal to a square, that is general. Now here you arrive a square equal to 16. Now you come to the line equation. What it is? 3x plus 4y minus p equal to 0. What is the line? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So you keep y variable alone in the left side. The rest of the thing carry over to the right. The line 3x plus 4y minus p is equal to 0. 4y equal to p minus 3x. Then y is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus p by 4 is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Now you have to relate this to the general. What is your m? Coefficient of x is your m. Coefficient of x is your m. What is your c? C is constant. C is constant. Now m equal to minus 3 by 4. C is equal to p by 4. I said the condition of the line is a tangent to the circle. The condition of a line is a tangent to the circle. Line is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square is c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. The condition what? C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square, right? Now you know the value of c, a and m, that you are going to substitute. Using that we can calculate what is p, right? C is nothing but p by 4 the whole square equal to, what is your a square? A square is 16 into 1 plus minus 3 by 4 the whole square, right? If the line is a tangent to the circle means it should satisfy the condition. In that you are going to substitute c value, a value and m value. Now p square by 16 equal to 16 into 1 plus 9 by 16, 1 plus 9 by 16, which implies p square by 16 equal to, you have to take LCM inside the bracket, right? 16 into 25 divided by 16. 25 divided by 16. Got it? Now 16, 16 cancel. Right? Now what can you get? P square equal to 25 into 16. 25 also you can write it as 5 square. 16 also you can write it as 4 square. Then P square equal to 5 square into 4 square. 5 square into 4 square. Now what is the value of P? P is equal to 5 into 4, 20. P is equal to 5 into 4, 20. Here square is there. Both the sides are square, so you have no issue. P is equal to 20. Once again I am going to repeat, you see. Find the value of P if the line 3x plus 4y minus P is equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle. They said the line is a tangent to the circle. If the line is a tangent to the circle, it should satisfy the condition as c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Using the given equation, we can get the value of what is a square and what is m and what is c. A square, x square, the circle equation will give you the value of a square. The line equation will give you the value of m and c, right? See here, a square equal to 16. The line equation 3x plus 4y minus p is equal to 0. Then I kept y variable alone in the left side. The rest of the thing carry over to the right. The negative become positive, the positive become negative. Then y is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x plus p by 4 is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. Now we have to relate this to the general. The coefficient of x is m. So m equal to minus 3 by 4. The constant is our c, intercept. C is equal to p by 4. The condition is c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. C value is p by 4, p by 4 the whole square. A square is 16. M is minus 3 by 4. You substituted here. P square by 16 equal to 16 into 1 plus 9 by 16. P square by 16 equal to 16 into 25 by 16. You will get it as P is equal to 5 into 4. If you are taking square root, you can use plus or minus. You can use plus or minus. Got it, children? P value may be positive or negative. Got it? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.